Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you the amazing AI tool that you can use to make presentations in 30 seconds. So let's get started. So to make presentations really fast, we have to go to a website called tone.app. This is an amazing website which is made using artificial intelligence. And this website uses ChatGPT for writing the content and DALL-E 2 for the images that it will generate for your presentation slides. So first you have to open your browser and type this URL tone.app. Then this website will open. Here you have to sign up. After signing up, you will see this dashboard where you will have these amazing templates. To make a presentation from scratch, let's click on create. Then here you have to type which presentation you want to create. For instance, I am creating this presentation, business pitch presentation for traveling company World Travels. After pressing the enter, it will start creating your presentation. And it will also add amazing images. So here is our presentation. You can also present your slides by clicking on this icon. And there are also many features as well, like record. You can also record your video presenting your slides. That's all for today's video. If you find this video interesting, like the video and subscribe to YouTube channel for more amazing content.